SilvanaKicks. And before we get started, make sure to click the like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a workout with me involving some of the techniques that I posted in a previous YouTube video. Now, I had just posted a mini tutorial on YouTube. I'll link it in the description box below if you're curious. But I posted it on how to increase the height of your kick. In this video, I just describe briefly how to do these techniques and mention how my Patreon actually goes into in-depth explanation on these movements and how to kick higher. In this video, I'm actually going to be implementing these movements. So if you want to follow along with me, check out that previous video and then follow along with me here. Let's get started. So I just finished doing my warm-up and a few stretches. I'm feeling kind of warm and I'm ready to throw some kicks. Now make sure you do the same thing, make sure you're nice and warm. If you don't know how to do some stretches or proper warm-up or how you should be feeling, make sure you reach out for some guidance. And like I said, I do have a Patreon page specifically for this kind of stuff. But for the first exercise, I'm gonna be throwing the repetitions. All right. So I'm gonna be throwing my roundhouse kicks. I'm gonna get to 10, and this time I'm actually going to count. So up for roundhouse chamber. And starting with my roundhouse. And the other side. Nice and balanced, getting ready for this side. Counting to 10. I'm going to be doing 3 sets of those. So the 10 off each leg, 2 more times. So for this next one, I'm going to be putting ankle weights on. So I'm making sure that they're super tight. I don't recommend this for everyone. If you don't know your level, again, make sure you reach out for support. Now I'm going to be doing the pulses. So I'm going up to my position, going out, and pulsing 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into chamber, down, and switch. Up to chamber position, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In, down. Again, we are doing this 3 times, so 10 and 10, 2 more times. So the next one in the mini tutorial is actually a flexibility and strength specific drill. So I'm gonna be going and using the wall for support like usual. We're gonna go out into roundhouse position. This time I actually have a timer that I'm gonna keep track of when I'm gonna keep my foot up for. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds. So you kick wherever your foot lies, boom, pull up into a stretch position, hold that 30 seconds. There are multiple ways of doing this type of stretch that I actually outline again in that Patreon page. If you need help on different variations, reach out. Let's do the other side. Good, and again, 2 more times after this. And that's the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, this was us actually implementing the movements that we did in that mini tutorial. Again, I'll post it in the description box below so you're able to see a little bit more of the details. If you want some specifics on why we're doing these movements or you want some more movements, subscribe to my Patreon page and I'll be able to coach you there. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you all next week. This fly is driving me crazy. There's 2 and they just like